students, welcome to DAV Mobile Public School Sita Songi. Here is your English teacher, Mr. Gajanan sir, and today we are going to do the third part of models. Okay, students, in our earlier class, we have discussed how to use can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must, have, has, had in a proper way. Okay, students, if you practice more, you can easily solve the problems of modal verbs and you can use it rightly. So, keep on doing practice, keep on reading, and always try to underline where we have used may, where to use can, and keep proper attention. Means in which way we are using can, could, shall, should, whether it is a possibility, whether it is a ability. Okay, so keep on concentrating different type of sentences so you can understand. So let's quickly revise some important modal verbs and what are their uses. So student, can we use for ability and request? Okay. Could, past ability, then suggestion for future possibility, then may we use for permission or future possibility, might we use present or future possibility, must we use necessity or obligation, means compulsory, when we have to do the things compulsory, must is you have to use. Ought to means what's right and correct. Okay, what is the right and correct, that time you have to use ought to. Shall means offer or suggestion. Should, advise or uncertain prediction. Okay, will, okay, it is willingness for certain prediction, okay, or promise. Would, request, invitation, or making arrangements. Okay, students, you try to revise it properly and read it properly and try to frame the different type of sentences by using this can, could, shall, should, will, would. Okay, student, so let's solve some of the model exercises. Rewrite the following sentences using the models can, could. The first one has been done for you. Now see, I am not able to attend your party. Okay. So here is an inability. So you can write down I can't attend your party. It is not possible for you to borrow my bike. Okay. It is not possible. So here negativity is given. So we can use like it could not be possible for you to borrow my bike. Do you know how to use a computer? Do you know how to use a computer? So you can frame the sentence by using like can you use a computer? Okay, same question is there. We are just changing the beginning by adding can. Is it possible for you to play basketball tonight? So we can frame this like this. We are politely requesting and we are just asking permission. So we can use could here, means in more formal way. Could it possible for you to play basketball tonight? I wish it was possible for me to do that. Okay, here is given already past tense, so you have to use could. I wish it could possible for me to do it. Okay, now let's go and solve the next exercise. Read the following extracts from advertisement containing can. Write whether they express ability or possibility. On-label medicine can cause allergic reactions. Okay, so it can be possible, so that's a medicine can be harmful. Okay, it can be effect as a allergic medicine, so this is a possibility. Next one, the language of the textbook can be confusing. Possibility. The language of the textbook can be confusing also, can be easy also, so this is a possibility. Have you ever noticed how a supposedly working day can quickly turn into a jolly celebration? Okay, means any day can turn into a jolly celebration also, or full of hectic work also, so this is also possibility. Our new computer network can solve most of your communication problem. Means this is the capacity of the computer that it can solve all type of communication problems. So this is a ability. Okay, students. Now this is your homework that you have to solve this. First example is given you. May I go out, sir? You dash speak Hindi. It dash rain tonight. The patient dash take medicine in time. Work hard lest you dash fail. Dash God help you. Use proper modal verbs in the blank spaces. Okay. Thank you, student. Have a happy day to you.